Hey everybody, this is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics bringing you your next tip for Tuesday. What we're going to talk about today is called your posterior chain. Now this is something that with pretty much any patient that we see walk through our door, we can make some connection to a deficiency or imbalance in that posterior chain. And what your posterior chain essentially is the group of muscles that basically run from the back of your head all the way down your spine, backside, down your leg to your heel. And these are more or less the muscles that help keep us erect. So you have to think that the average person that's sitting on their phone, sitting on a computer, driving, or just doing other various job duties throughout their day usually promotes more of motion and strength into the front part of our body. So we kind of curl forwards as we tend to age. And in my mind, this is where the good majority of these issues originate, is this imbalance between our anterior chain and our posterior chain. So one of the best tips I can give you guys that are watching this video is to simply work on your posterior chain every single day. I guarantee you this will go a long ways as far as not just aches and pains that you have with your back, but an overall health of your spine and therefore your body in general. So probably the most simple exercise you can do to work your entire posterior chain are variations of what we call Superman exercise. So in our prehab area, we kind of have mats laid out for people to use. And this is an exercise where simply I would ask you to get down on the ground, and there's 3 different variations I want you to worry about. So starting off on your side, on your stomach, sorry. You're gonna be face down, and all I want you to practice is trying to bring your chest off of the ground, holding it for a second or two, and then relaxing. Now, one cue to keep in mind is to, rather than arching your neck backwards, you want to kind of suck your chin straight back towards your spine. Hopefully that makes sense from that angle. Again, not bending backwards, but kind of sucking your chin in. Holding that for a second or two, and then lowering down. A more advanced version of this, you would raise both of your upper back, so chest off the ground, and then legs off the ground. Hold it for a second or two, and relax. Up, couple seconds, down. Now for those of you that are very adventurous or you like the challenge, I'm going to ask you to get your arms straight up above your head, so kind of like Superman would be. But I want you to have your thumbs up towards the ceiling, elbows fully extended, so don't have any bend in your elbows, and you're trying to get your arms back behind you as strong as you can. As you lift your upper body off the ground, and then lift your legs off, hold for a second or two, relax, hold for a second or two, and relax. Now, like I said, this is a pretty simple movement in general, but you're working your entire posterior chain, and for most people, I think this will help with a lot of aches and pains they have in their back, but also go a long ways as far as preventing any issues as a result of their back giving them trouble. Again, my name is Dr. Kyle with Ice Clinics. Thanks for watching.